Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows Shell Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we dive into the Windows Shell Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Windows Shell Library, frequently associated with legacy repacks or non-standard shell replacement utilities. It provides specialized UI windowing hooks. Because it shares a name with the OS, it is often flagged as a hijack by antivirus tools. If deleted, the host app will simply fail to open, providing no error message. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Winshell is a restricted library bundled with the Localized shell orchestration shim engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows Shell Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Windows Shell Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're addressing Windows Shell Library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Windows Shell Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.